Your mama kwaba ediba Abena Ghana TV news section. So and then news I did mono every a year Black Meteors Ghana National Under 23 team a camp. Now information and can say a year team a travel from Ghana to Gabon a call for the return leg Senkenya kupanya wan komunya a plane crash. Na nina ekosi say a year Tuesday 26th of March and Ghana and Gabon bebo return leg first leg a year Ghana and a 23 team no etimi share Gabon team 4-0. Now say a year Ghana team so a call a year Gabon now omobo a year the second leg a so a year Tuesday ebe na eno na a year Ghana coach Ibrahim Tanko didn't send me to just say abra omonam ewiem no because of bad weather ntino plane no e ka ewiem be 2 hours abra no mutimi en landi e wo Libreville e wo Gabon ntino e ma omo e call e Cameroon Douala kono mo e call lande ya e kakra no mo sa e to aso e call e Gabon em say nche bia na nya ne ntie se e plane bi ahwiase e wo Ethiopia to Kenya e kwan so manipa 157 shire won kra intino senkenya nyame anka da sorry ka ye nisu ene tuntum ne kokko na soso no nyakopon environment no ye Black Meteors team no 33 man squad o mo koye no bia ni wa ne ho kan o madu successfully ti yedi mpa about how much say o mesa akọ wini e wo Gabon no ma returning back to Accra safely. Don't forget to subscribe to Abena Ghana TV for more news.